Hello everyone, I'm Charuta. Welcome to Urja Wellness and Joy. Today I'm offering career guidance angel card reading to you all. As usual, you have three piles, and I have placed these beautiful feathers, red, yellow, and green. All right, and the question I have asked is what message or what guidance angels would like to give you with respect to your career. All right, so I'll give you a few moments to select your pile, and then we shall start off with the messages. All those who selected red feather, these are your cards: family, freedom, be yourself, ask for what you want. All right, when family card appears in a career reading, then obviously it means that there is a certain level of work life imbalance, and you must take action towards it, okay, to bring that balance. So ensure that you are spending more time with your family, especially with children, okay, because it will help you to shift your energies. You have been stressed, and children are full of energy, enthusiasm, okay, and when you spend time with them, okay, you will feel relaxed. So it is important for you guys to spend time with your family members. All right, also I feel some of you are feeling restricted, okay, because of your family members. Okay, you feel that, oh my god, I have got so much to achieve. I have big dreams, but I cannot pursue my dreams because I cannot take risk. And why I can't take risk? Because I've got responsibilities of my family. All right, but that's an illusion. Okay, so you guys are feeling restricted, but angels are saying, the next card is all about freedom. So angels are actually guiding you, please do not get overwhelmed. All right, your family members will be well provided for. All right, and you are free. Okay, okay, so you're just free to choose anything that you want. Okay, you can work towards it. You can take small action steps to make that thing happen. Okay, but please do not compromise. Please do not settle for less. Okay, just by thinking, oh, I have to provide for my family, and hence I cannot take risks. All right, then the third card you got is be yourself. Okay, so at workplace, and it is important for you to voice your opinion. Okay, just say yes only when you really mean it. Okay, it's all about drawing healthy boundaries with people around you, especially at workplace, because we are doing career reading here. So also, whenever it comes to making important decisions with respect to your career, it is important for you to think about yourself first. All right, follow your heart. Okay, do not get affected by opinions of others. Do not get bogged down by your current life challenges. Okay, okay, just gather courage to be yourself. Okay, simply ask yourself what exactly I would like to experience. Okay, and then align your actions accordingly. The fourth card you got is ask for what you want. So I do see a certain level of confusion here, and some of you are beating the drum of a confusion, and hence you are landing up in a situation where you are stuck. Okay, and how to break this vicious loop is to shift your energies. And how to shift it? If you are confused, angels are clearly telling you ask for what you want. See, if you go into the restaurant and you call waiter, we do not say no, like okay waiter, I don't want tea, I don't want coffee, I don't want bread butter. Okay, waiter will simply say, okay, fine, but what do you want? No, tell me clearly. So that's the clear message, okay, by angels for you, that you have to ask for what you want. Do not assume that I will not get it. Do not assume, okay, that it is too risky to ask for, or it is too much to ask for. Okay, or just do not assume that it is not possible. Hence, why to even ask? Okay, please don't go into that zone. Simply just ask your heart what exactly you would like to experience, okay, when it comes to your career, and just write it down on a piece of paper under the line, universe, I would like to experience these situations in my life. Okay, or I would like to create these experiences in my life. All right, okay, so in short, when it comes to your career, Guys, you're absolutely free to choose and do anything that you would like to do. All right, so please don't be afraid. Okay, please don't sulk. Okay, come out of the mentality. Okay, please do not feel restricted. Okay, in fact you deserve much better. Okay, on every aspect of your career. Okay, so just align your energy and action. All right, thank you. All those who selected yellow feather, these are your cards: builder, music, emotional healing, and walk away. I would like to start with walk away card because there's a huge intense message here. Okay, some of you are stuck in unhealthy situations. So angels are actually asking you to walk away. So it is time for you to break the partnership, time for you to leave the company, leave the job, or take some action. If you just can't leave it, take some action, because why angels are asking you to walk away. Okay, so walking away, it could mean physically you leaving, or making some emotional shifts, energy shifts, wherein you tell people how you would like to be treated. Okay, this card is clearly indicating that you are being taken advantage of. Okay, you're not being respected, you're not being treated well. Okay, you're not given due credit. Okay, you're not being treated fairly. All right, so there's a lot of unhealthy situation here, a lot of drama here, a lot of emotional drama here. All right, so it is time for you to walk away from such situations. Okay, if you cannot physically leave such situation, it is time for you to stand up for yourself, speak up for yourself, gather courage and take that stand. Okay, if people are bullying you at work, okay, if clients are being very unrealistic, it is time for you to tell them what exact tell them how you would like to be treated. All right, so it's very intense message here. Okay, so and these two cards are very much aligned, and since you're going through this drama and witnessing such challenges at work, okay, it is causing emotional imbalance. All right, so that's the reason you keep feeling hurt, you keep feeling bad, you keep sulking. It is very natural. Okay, so guidance, angels would like to give you through this card is, stay in the present moment. Take one moment at a time, take a day at a time. Okay, you are kind of oscillating between future and the past, but you're missing the present moment. Okay, you must stay grounded. Okay, by grounded mean just stay focused on the present moment. Just think about the today. Think about what you need to do, what you are required to do right now, or just for the day. All right, so and step by step, eventually you will come out of this situation. All right, music. Okay, so angels are actually telling you that, okay, if it is time for you to indulge into some kind of music. Okay, so listen to your favorite songs. Okay, it will help you to feel relaxed. Okay, it will de-stress you. Okay, so and okay, and at times what happens, when we listen to good music, we feel inspired. Okay, so that's the indirect way to deal with work related stress. Also, people who are musician, or or in a related field, or in the related industry, this card is actually giving you a positive hope that many opportunities are being lined up for you. Okay, so stay focused and stay determined. Please do not give up. Okay, please do not give up. Okay, stay focused. Also, this card is actually asking you to meditate every day. Okay, if you cannot, just close your eyes and sit quietly. Just listen to any musical any meditation music. It will help you to feel relaxed. All right, or if possible, while working, how about you playing some music in the background? Just take things lightly. Builder card. This is an amazing card because it talks about vision that you have in your mind. All right, you can actually envisage your future. You have many ideas. Okay, you are someone who can build something for from scratch. Okay, okay, so so it is time for you to take some action. Okay, if you would like to start your business, or if you would like to be self-employed, or even if you're working in the corporate, but if you'd like to implement your ideas. Okay, so it is time for you to take action. Okay, so take people into confidence, share what you can envisage with them. Okay, okay, gain their trust and start taking action towards it. This card is also about working on your body. So people who are into fitness related business. Okay, this card is assuring that many opportunities are being lined up for you. Okay, so stay focused, do not give up. It's not time for you to give up. Okay, that's it. So overall, your reading is all about you have to just stay in the present moment, think about today. Okay, what matters to you. Okay, and start taking small action. Thank you. All those who selected green feather, these are your cards: nutrition, protected, assertiveness, and new career. Amazing. You got, if in a career reading you're getting new career card, such an amazing thing. Really, I just love this card. This card is very positive. So I would like to start off this card. So you know what, guys, this is a good time for you to change your job, or change your industry, or switch your career. Okay, or even it's a good time for you to change your workplace, or relocate to new country, city. All right, so this card, angels are actually giving assurance that everything is going to work out beautifully. Okay, everything is going to fall in place. Okay, and many positive changes are on the cards. Okay, with respect to your career, so many new opportunities would be lined up for you. Okay, and you will also feel inspired to take actions. All right, okay, then I would like to talk about this nutrition card. Okay, so this is a good time for people who would like to start business. Okay, food, especially food related business, then definitely this is a good time for you all. So it could be cooking, or if you want to start your YouTube channel, and okay, and share your recipes, then definitely it is a good time. If you would like to start your career as a dietitian, then definitely it is a good time. If you would like to cook food, and if you want to go into the restaurant business, then definitely it is a good time. All right, so anything related to food, nutrition, as well as healing. All right, so healing could be like, say, any alternative healing. Okay, so this card is very good if you would like to start activities with respect to food and healing related businesses. Okay, then protected. Also, again, what I feel is, it is time for you to make some changes in your diet. See what happens, guys, when we eat more fresh food. Okay, if we include more salad, fruits, and vegetables in our diet, vibrations of our bodies change. All right, so as a result we feel more lighter. Okay, and lighter you are, more inspired you will feel. Okay, and hence you will receive a lot of inspiration regarding your career. So angels are actually telling there is an indirect impact. Okay, indirect positive impact on your career. Okay, just by changing the way you eat. All right, so please follow this advice. Then I would like to talk about these two cards, protected and assertiveness. All right, so some of you might not be feeling very safe or grounded. Okay, rather they some of you are feeling insecure about your work, about your career. Some of you are doubting their abilities to make money or generate income. All right, so angels are actually giving assurance through this card. Angels are giving assurance that you and your family definitely would be supported, will be provided for. Please, so do not feel insecure. Okay, you need to shift your energies. Okay, just replace insecurities by faith. Okay, if you're lacking faith, ask divine to give you faith. Okay, then assertiveness. So what you have to do is, you uh, when it comes to work, okay, at job or in your business, you have to draw healthy boundaries with people around you. Okay, do not let your business partners, your bosses, your colleagues take you for granted. Okay, um, you just need to be more confident. You just need to say yes only when you really mean it. Okay, learn to say no. Okay, do not try to help others, at the cost of your own well-being. So definitely at work you need to be more confident and assertive, and you need to drop your insecurities. Please drop, because you know uh, because angels are actually giving you assurance that you will be provided for. So do not worry about your money. Okay, money will show up whenever you need it. Right. So those were the messages for people who chose green feather. Thank you.